Freddy Palanji Khambata, and I live at Bandra Tata Blocks. It's a Parsi colony. I was born in a family which is from a priestly class. My father wanted me to become a priest. Whether I choose the profession later on or not, it's up to me. Okay, but to become the priest, I was been put in the boarding. Okay, where I can finish my priestly course along with my studies, normal studies. Okay, and that's way I went into the boarding. I stayed there for 7 to 8 years. I finished my priestly course. I became priest at the age of 12, and then I passed my this thing, all my studies. Okay, and then I joined the college. I have done Bachelor of Commerce. Then I went and I started working in an airline because I was quite fascinated with an airline job, you know. So I started working in an airline. But there, within a month, something within from me said that this is not the right place for you, you know. And I resigned on my own within 2 months. And again I came back. I joined this fire temple as a part-time priest. Part-time means what? That you do your work, you go home, okay, and you are not attached permanently to a fire temple. You can give your services as a priest and you can just do your own duties. That's it. And somehow I came in this profession. I was finding a job also. I was not getting a job so easily, okay. And then later on, I got an offer from the trustees of this fire temple that whether you will become the head priest of this fire temple or not. And of course, I grabbed that opportunity. Okay. And that's how I am here from last 10 years. I am serving this fire temple as a head priest.
How do you experience God?
I see God in nature. You know, like the most concrete example of God is air. Air is something which we cannot see, but all the time we feel. We feel cold, we feel hot. Air makes us feel everything, but we cannot see air. So air is such an element of God, which you have to just feel and believe. You know. And my religion teaches me that my religion is always depends on elements of God, nature, like plants, air, earth, water, human beings and animals, you know, mountains, and of course sky, clouds. The 7 creations of God, and I strongly believe in. And that those elements of nature make me believe that there is God somewhere.
In your own life, what was the first time you feel like you had to completely rely upon God?
Well, I will tell you one of my very early experiences when I was in a higher secondary. I was doing a higher secondary course. One of my best subjects was accountancy. Okay, it's a very this thing of priest saying that like that.
I'm an accountant also.
Okay, it was one of my best subjects. What happened is that while writing the paper, I totally fell ill, and I failed in that very subject. And I complained to God, why did you do this to me? You know, why I failed in my one of the best subjects? Why I fell ill on that very time when I was going to write my best paper? years passed away. When I become head priest, automatically I got answered that Freddie, your right place was here. You know, you have to learn about your Zoroastrian religion. You have to spread my message. You have to learn my message. You have to spread my message to other people. Your work on this earth is this, not accountancy. That is why earlier also I said I was very much fascinated with airlines. I went and I took a job in airline also, but somewhere from within it was coming, this is not the right place, you are sitting here. And when I joined here in the fire temple, I was feeling so satisfied. The most important thing in a job you find is a satisfaction. In anything in life, a person has to get satisfied. Without satisfaction you cannot do anything. So I very much feel satisfied doing this job, interacting with people, saying my prayers. With my prayers, if people feel nice, I feel more nice that somebody felt spiritual with my prayers.
Has there been a time in your life where you doubted your faith?
No, I never doubted my faith. But whenever there are questions, as I say, I always ask my God that why like this? Why like that? But that's not doubting my faith. I have got total faith in God, total faith. I lost my mother at the age of 10, sorry, become a little emotional because unnecessary I touched the topic of mother, which is very emotional to me. And for motherly love, I always craved, and I always got it in parts. So I find my motherly love in God. I'm extremely sorry. I feel that God is within us. God is somewhere within us. Somebody told me the story. Now that you are saying that you share your things, that somebody told me the story that we all were trying to find God. So some human went to mountains. Some humans build up fire temples, this, that, churches. So God said that everybody is trying to find me. I should hide somewhere that they will not see me. And He went into our body. So if you want to find God, just close your eyes, concentrate, talk with your own self, and God will answer. But let me tell you, sooner or later, people should have patience in life. You cannot just say like that, why like this, why like that, and I have not been answered up till now. Sometimes God answers also, but we cannot understand. We don't understand that God has already answered. And I would like to share something like that. Life is very short, Daniel. Life is very short. We should do good things in life. Should not harm people as much as possible. Try to control your anger. Anger is the biggest weapon of devil. Today with anger only, evil wants to destroy the human race. And with love and patience, we can destroy evil. That is a weapon of God. So, I am also in the process of learning patience. Let me tell you that I am not a perfect person. I also get angry sometimes. But I feel ashamed of myself after getting angry on people. Why am I getting angry? You know, people get angry because they are not happy with their own self. That is why they get angry. The anger comes out. You know. So I like to be more patient, more calm, and I like to spread the message of God as much as possible. That's it. But let me tell you, Daniel, it's not so easy. I am in a process of learning. I'm again and again telling you. And I hope I learn a lot of things in this birth. I respect every faith of other people who are different, must be different from mine. But ultimately, we all are going to meet at one point after coming out of our body. Maybe we are on our different channels. I am through Zoroastrian, you must be through Christianity, somebody must be through Hinduism, somebody must be through Muslim, this thing. But ultimate goal is one. So to reach there, we have to work from now.
Freddie, thank you for doing this interview.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Daniel, for coming and interacting with me. I like more and more this kind of interaction because this really awakens me from inside.
I found my accounting soul brother on the other side of the world.
Thank you so much.
I left my accounting too.
Thank you.